talking to me?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Hope you guys doing well. Halal Chef is back with another video, and this time I'm making delicious chicken biryani that is so simple and easy to do. It's very famous in India and Pakistan. I'm sure you're gonna enjoy it. Let's get started. Add water, salt, oil, long grained rice, mix and parboil the rice. And this is how it should look. Medium low heat, add oil, add onions, give it a mix and cook until light brown. Add garlic, mix and cook this until golden brown. Add ginger, green chilies, give this a mix. Fresh tomatoes, cook until nice and soft. To make the mixture even softer, splash of water, cover and let it cook for 2 minutes. Turmeric powder, red chilli powder, mix and cook the rawness of the spices. Now cover again for 2 minutes just to make the mixture even softer. A final mix. Add all the chicken pieces and give it a good mix. Cover and let it cook for 5 minutes on low medium heat. Uncover and give it a good mix. Add the biryani spice and give this a good mix. Finally, we're gonna season with some salt, mix it. Cover again for 5 minutes, uncover and mix. Now you're going to add tamarind, dried plums for some sweetness. Cook this for 2 minutes and then just turn off the heat. In a separate pan, add oil. Now add a layer of parboiled rice and distribute it evenly. Add some of the biryani mixture on the top. A layer of rice again. Distribute it again. Repeat by adding the mixture and the rice again. Leftover mixture should go on the top. Add some milk. Mix in some yellow color. Now do the same for the red color. Put the red and the yellow color on the top. Place a flat pan on the stove. Make sure the heat is on low medium. When the flat pan is nice and hot, place the rice on the flat pan. Now place a kitchen cloth. Cover it and let this cook for 25 to 30 minutes. The rice should be cooked when the pan is nice and hot from all sides, and it should be steaming from inside. Now just remove it from the heat. Shake the pan right and left in order to mix it. This way you won't break the rice. Looks so good. Smells wonderful. You can decorate it with lemon, tomatoes, coriander or mint leaves. So here you have my mouth-watering chicken biryani that is so simple and easy to do. I hope you guys gonna enjoy this recipe. Please do share it with your friends and your family. Thank you very much. Alright guys, I'm gonna try this delicious biryani. Look at this rice, how fluffy they are. Bismillah. Wow. Oh, it's so delicious. Alhamdulillah. Look at this. Bring it closer. You know, each grain of rice is like covered in spice. Look at the chicken. So delicious. Look at it. You know, the biryani is so nice. You don't need any sauce. Look at this chicken, man. Perfectly cooked. Very simple and easy to do. Few ingredients and you have a perfectly cooked biryani. There are different types of biryanis, and chicken biryani is the famous one. Make it for your mom, make it for your dad, make it for your family. Enjoy it. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like. Inshallah, see you next time. Until then, Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah. Take care. Enjoy my videos.